The number you have dialed has been changed.
Good morning, guys. Ooh, not sure. Can y'all see me? Y'all can see me. Alright. So this morning we're at the backyard. How are you kill mama? So this morning we're at the backyard. I'm washing out some clothes. I was gonna take y'all to the river and wash, but change my mind. Probably do that another time. But right now I just put some clothes in the washing machine and I'm gonna wash out some underwear with my hand. Okay, you know it's the underwear to wash with the hand before you put it in the machine. No, I'm not catch you. And then mama wash. But mama don't want to put on camera, so that's what's going on. So here go my little pipe on my basin. I'm showing you my pipe basin. I got some clothes in there already. I have some there, so I'm gonna wash another machine. So I'm gonna rinse them out with my hand. Them there I want to wear for like a couple hours. So I'm just gonna rinse those out with my hand and the rest of stuff in the machine. So let's get to washing.
Yeah. And I see nobody clean like we. Well, I'm a dad and marine OG. I make you think when I chop 50. Every rifle I clap 50. When I step on I'm a blue Ganzi. I Christian and Japanti. I let me sing in my Japanki. For the mother and the auntie.
Why? Last time come here, so I nearly dropped, you know. Alright, so finished rinsing them out. It wasn't much. I'm showing a real punchy life. Alright, so now we're about to hang out the clothes on the line. So you get your clothespins and you're gonna pin them to your clothes. I don't usually count. If I have extra, I have extra, but I like to have more than enough so I don't have to come back and do it again. So here's the clothespin pan. Almost broke a nail. That's not good. So this is what I'm working with. I think I have enough of them. I already threw my fabric softener in there. So now it's just a matter of rinsing them out. But I can't hold the camera and rinse them. So I'm going to rinse them out and catch y'all when I go to the line. Alright guys, so here go the line. So let me show y'all. Y'all not familiar. So we have this thing called a bamboo that holds up the line. So to get the line from all the way up there, you gotta move. Hold on, let me try to put y'all somewhere so y'all can see me. All right, so you gotta move the bamboo. You see the line got lowered now, so here go the line. So now I can reach it. So now I'm just about to put the clothes on the line. Oh, mama said to put it over here because you know, so when you spread panty, you can't spread money in the yard, so you can't spend panty with the man them go walk. So you know, spread the panty them. Where I look for me for? Eh? I look for me for? Go sleep, man. Her eyes are so, well, is it a her or a he? His eyes are so pretty. Hopefully I can see the line. If not, so when you're about to pin your clothes, you put it on the line, you get your clothespin, pin it, and pin it. Now everybody pin their clothes differently. As long as my clothes are pinned right to dry, I'm fine. Well, clearly that one isn't pinned right because it's messing up.
I'ma flow to my soul like Magneto, so me no watch people. Manipulate evil by doing good, I'm here for a reason.
So I ran out of one clothespin, so I'm not going back there. So you can always align these to like use one pin. So that's what I'm about to do. And we are done. Boom, boom. So I didn't really have to wash those with my hand because those are like nothing. But I don't feel right washing and not doing it Jamaican style. So once the stuff in the machine done, I'm gonna hang out those the same way I did those and call it a day. So now it's time to put the line back up so it can reach the sun. So now I'm trying to fix the bamboo. There we go. So now you see the clothes went higher to reach the sun. Oh, I forgot my bucket. Child, I just washed 2 little pieces of something. I can't imagine washing a whole load of clothes. Like what my mom washed. Like I could not sit over a pan of clothes. I couldn't. So you know use the machine. Yeah. Alright guys, so I have some white shirts. Y'all know I love my white tees and shirts and everything. But when I wear them in Jamaica, I look like I'm a... Oh, crap. But when I wear whites in Jamaica, I look very dirty. Just because, I don't know, I be eating fruits. They be dropping on my clothes. Play with my little cousin. I get dirty. But, yeah, I'm hot. So I'm about to soak these up in some blue soap and bleach. Let them sit. If you want your, listen, if you want those pearly white clothes, this is what you gotta do. Gotta soak up your clothes with some blue soap. Rinse out the dirt out of them first. Soak them up, put them in some bleach, let them sit in the sun. If you want to step it up, put them in a black scandal bag, let the heat get it. Then you rinse it out, pearly whites. So I'm about to do that right now. I don't think I'm rinsing the dirt out of them doors just because I'm hot and tired. But I'm gonna soap them up. Mama, let me blue soap. Let me soap now, Mama.
You know what you say? Yeah, me that call you, no, but me not know if you did there.
So here we are. Here go the whites. I think bleach is gonna mess this up, you know. This. I'm not gonna put bleach on this. It's not white. It's like, cause anytime I put bleach on them, I get this.
Cream?
This.
Like this, how you get it?
No, mine.
If when the bleach now, you rub you out and put your pepper on the white.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put bleach on that one. Guys, so I'm about to eat my morning breakfast every morning, every day since I've been here. I eat a mango. This is my last one. Never know how you see it and she don't take it. Nice bud. That one here kind of look green, but some not done it. Some of them not done it. Some of them not ripe it. I know people gonna be like, oh my god, there, let me get peace. Good. Ooh. I shop that. I'm machine. I think I radio. Wait at bucket. I'm just trying to carry on the go again.
If you want, you can go there. And this will slide your door.
Wait. Yeah, I have not been around this backyard in years. I used to play around here a lot when we were kids. Oh, we got some chickens. You see them? I'll try to show y'all. So we got some chickens. My grandma and my grandpa raised their own meat. So they got chicken and they got pork. They got a pig. Ooh, he getting excited. Your pig pen are clean from morning. There you go. So instead of throwing the skins out, you can feed the pig the skin. So 2 for 1. Say hi, piggy piggy. Say hi. You afraid of me? Seems like him pen no watch from man. The mango skin and hard to peel. But yeah, we got ackee tree, breadfruit tree, there's plum tree down the back, banana tree. So really, when we say you can't go hungry in Jamaica if you got all this around you, unless the teeth, because people teeth your stuff. Like if you got ackee and stuff and breadfruit, people will climb your tree and steal it. But if you get it before them, you're good. This mango, I could have gave it a couple more days. This part not ready at all. This part is very green, so I'm not even gonna go over there. It's very hard to eat my mango with y'all in my hand. I may feel like when I watch me eat, so it's weird. I guess the pig not hungry. It's not eating. Mama! And can I get this seed too? Huh? I don't think she answered me. Somebody else answered me though. Mama? And can I get this seed too? And that's what I thought. Don't give him a seed. Okay, mama got a suitcase and we got a cellar. If you know what a cellar is like our version of a basement. It's like your storage. You got all sorts of scraps. I'm not even gonna show y'all. Got all sorts of scraps. And then you can throw your mango down a gully. There's a chicken fowl, as we call them, down there. The fowl will pick at it. So everybody eats mango, not just you. Okay? You don't just eat it and throw it in the trash. You leave it for people too. And breakfast done. The machine just finished washing. It's gonna wash again and rinse and stuff. So I'm about to take a shower. Ooh. Oh man, one of your little friends in here, mama.